Terrible viewing angle. All right. Tegan, Amelia, and Dorney are going to start. With Becky, Sophia Greco. Tegan out to Greco. Shot off a player. Bit of a mess in front of the door. Sophia with it. Falsetto and Leia with Izzy out now. Mississauga player holds it on the board, gets it out. High shot over the glass. Shot down low. Mississauga with it. Throws it across to the far side. Poke. Izzy with it. Got Falsetto with her. Gets rubbed off by Mississauga. On the boards, Moya picks that one up. Shanique and Sydney out now. Brooke Duggan out with Maddie. And Moya. Moya gets that one center ice. Little bouncer. Back in the zone. Mississauga now. Shot. High shot went off for Riley. Moya and Sid with a pinch. Maddie picks that one up. Behind the net. Off the wall to Brooke Duggan. Girls get kind of tangled up together. Mississauga takes that back out to the point. Back down here on the back of the net. Maddie looking for an option. Tries to send it out. Hits Mississauga. Brooke pokes that one away. Still in the zone. Maddie and Brooke in the corner. Virginie, I should say. Brooke with it now. Maddie looking to get it out. Gets it to Moya, who pokes it away, and the forwards will change. Tegan, Amelia, and Jordy come out. Paige and Lily on defense. Mississauga cycles around back out to their defense. He fumbles it over the line. Jordana and Tegan on the forecheck. Amelia tries to get it in. Tegan down low with it. Takes it off her player. I don't know why we need netting this high. Who's setting pucks up here? Behind the net. It's going to roll out. Paige will pick that up. Back to Jordana. Off the boards for Amelia. He's on her player. Tries to keep it in. Mississauga down around back of the net. Looking for an outlet. It's Amelia. Brooke Dorney out now. Britt Dorney. Got Leah Clark and Izzy. Mississauga turns that over on the boards. Becky uses her skate, knocks it away. Puck out front, loose. Becky with it. Chip up the boards and then to the other end. Britt on the forecheck. All the way out. Becky with it. Off the boards for Britt. Long pass. Get there, Greco. Ooh. Mississauga pulls it away. No shot there. Good job, poked away. Moya out to Alley. That one just over the line. Moya on the forecheck. She's got McKay and falsetto with her. Out. Puck comes out. Moya chips it past. Alley out front of the forecheck. Amelia out for McKay. Sid and Janique. Moya knocks her player off the puck. Get there. Mississauga still in control of it. Trying to get in close for a shot. Loose puck in front of the net. Amelia touches it up. Ooh. That one comes through traffic and hits Riley in the chest. My playing Plinko back there. Mississauga taking a minute. D to D. And shot. Hit someone in front of the net. Back to the point for Mississauga. Down to the bumper. Here you go. Good poke from Tegan. Oh, I couldn't hang on to it. Good work, though, getting that out of her end so girls can change. Big glove from Riley. Okay, I'm going to reset my clock here. 7:59. Oh, that's off. Izzy Leah and Brooke Duggan out forward for that face-off. Riley's got it. Paige and Lily Belfoy on defense. Shot off the face-off from Mississauga. Blocker save from Riley. And the puck is out. Mississauga defense recovers it. Brooke picks that off. It's going to be offside. There you go. Up through the middle. 2-on-1. Low shot into the pads. Ooh. And the rebound off Riley's toe, I think. Mississauga, D to D. Low shot, hits traffic. Good save from Riley. Lots of action. Quick line change. Got McKay, Moya, Jordana Hunter. Loose puck. Good save from Riley. Absolute flurry of activity in front of Riley. Let's go! Did not really see that. that one. Bounces past Greco's stick. Becky hard on the back check. McKay into support. Mississauga pulls it out. Out to the point. D to D. With a shot. Goes off Mississauga player. Oh. I don't know what that was. I think that was off. I don't know if it hit the outside or the inside. All right, TK, Amelia, Britt Dorney out. Rebound shot. Stick save from Riley. And it's out. TK on the forecheck. Shanique hits a piece of it. Amelia, sorry, Sid. 81 or 91, close enough. I think that counts as a first shot on net so far. Out front, loose puck. Ooh, Mississauga throws it away. It's not going to get an icing. Hurry, back check. Hard. Good job, Sid with it. Reverses over to Amelia. Mississauga keeps that in. Free shot. Good save from Riley. Up high on the shoulder. Go, TK. Poked away by Dorney. She's got a chance. Loses it in her feet, and Mississauga will pick that up. Lily out with Paige. Lizzie, Leah Clark. Nally Falsetto on forward. Girls fighting it down the boards. Izzy gets it out. She's got Allie with her. Good pass over to Allie. Goes into the right-hand corner. Izzy and Allie fighting for it. Izzy gets it. Looking for an option. Wants to get it down the boards. Picked away by Mississauga. Paige broke up that pass play. Moya out now. Board. Part of the boards, I can't catch them up here. All right, Lily with Becky. Becky reverses it. Moya will pick that up. She's got Brooke and Maddie with her. Picked off by Mississauga. Runs into a shot. Glove save from Riley. Shots 14-1. Sophia Greco off the board, sits Brooke Duggan. With McKay. Girls get it out. Moya kicks it forward with her skate. Chips it in. Becky with a pinch, trying to hold the line. Comes out. Maddie McKay will pick that up. Tosses it in for Moya, just in front of the blue line. There we go. Maddie in first. The boards to Moya. Misses that pass. Ends up as a shot from Mississauga. TK, Hunter, Amelia trying to get it out. TK using the soccer skills, gets it out up to Jordana. She's got TK back there. Calls for it, drop pass T out front into the crease. Shot from Janique down low, nobody there for the rebound. Sid to Tegan. Tegan tries to get through traffic. Janique Sid. Sid hits Amelia. Coming in on the right-hand side. Drop pass for TK. Sid with it. Puck loose front. Down behind the net now. Here we go. Out to Page. Page goes in for a skate. Good shot. Ooh, hits the outside of the net. There you go. Oh, Britt almost picked that one up in the neutral zone. Amelia turns that over. It's got Dorney and TK. Tegan trying to hold in front of the net. Tangled up with the defenseman. Britt Dorney loses an edge down on the boards. Izzy Courier now fighting for it. Mississauga is going to turn that over and break out. Woods finds Izzy. Center ice. She's got Leah Clark out now. An alley falsetto. Job is cuts the player off, breaks that up. Good back check. There's a falsetto with it. Poked out. Leah Clark's going to dump that in. Try to. Here we go. Maddie. Got Becky with her. Oh, good shot. Backhand, just misses. Greco sends that one back in deep. That'll be an icing call from Mississauga. Or just the end of the period. All right. All right, Brooke, Tegan, and Amelia are going to start with Lily and Paige. An early shot from Mississauga. Just crossed over the line, let her go. All right, and Dorney and Brooke changing spots. Page with it. Tries to find Dorney in the crowd. Amelia picks up loose puck. Amelia and Tegan on the boards. Pulled away by Mississauga. Page out, up to Dorney. Dorney angled off by Mississauga. Amelia are on the forecheck. The forwards are going to change. And defense. Leah going to draw a penalty for hooking on that one. Good back check though. It's going to be a hooking call. Yeah. So now Izzy and falsetto coming out. Got it now. Sid Cosgrove and Janique on defense. Saga down low. Tried to get it into the slot position. Missed that pass. Back out to the point. Point shot. Ooh, high blocker save from Riley. We're going to be there for a bit. Mississauga wins the face-off. Offside. Mississauga brings it in. It's cut off by Jordana. Sent across. Moya and Jordana out now with Greco and Becky Pollard on defense. Becky gets a piece of it, holds it on the boards, killing time off. Two Mississauga kids digging it out. Oh. Big shot from that bumper position. Paige and Lily. Tegan gets a piece of that. Down to Lily. High shot. Hits the glass. Mississauga sends that into the corner. Tegan chips it out. He's chasing. She's got Duggan with her. Sent in deep by Mississauga. Lily Belfoy there first. Tegan tried to find Maddie. Back to even strength after that last goal. Ooh, high shot, ramps up over Riley. There we go, Maddie and Brooke poking away at it, trying to get it out. Paige makes a smart play to ice that, and when he gets a reset and the line change. Amelia Moya, I think. And Britt Dorney. Another good save from Riley. Puck still in, out, and brought out by Moya. Dorney on the boards with it. Where's it now? Ooh, sent all the way out. Janique picked that up. What's going on right now? Mississauga has it. Poked away. Britt Dorney with it again. Looking for Moya. Couldn't get there. Be a nice and call. Mississauga picks that up down low. Tried to send it out into the crease. Falsetto pokes it out. Leah and Izzy. Becky and Greco. Loose puck on the boards. Leah Clark picks it up. Down and around. Falsetto there. Down to Becky. Just to get to Leah Clark, who was already backing up, couldn't stop. Dumped in by Mississauga. Oh. What happened there? Keegan out. Vanilla. Jordana. Mississauga goes wide with that one. Riley gets a piece of it. There you go. Fight it. Fight. Jordy gets it in. TK on the forecheck. Nesbitt. Good chip in by Page. Keegan on it with Amelia. It's all the way out. Mississauga tried to break in. Gets a shot. Glove down by Riley. There you go. Loose puck. Picked up by Brooke Duggan. Turn the Jets on. Following it in. Maddie McKay there. Moya. Kept in by Cosgrove at the line. Loose puck. Ooh, Moya going for it. The goalie slid out and gobbled it. My clock keeps getting it to sync. This puck, no icing. Shanique gets there. Maddie tried to get it out of the zone. Sophia and Becky on defense. Zeke Becky with it. Dumps it in. Loose puck out front. Becky with it. Trying to put it back in front of the crease. Loose puck out in front. Mississauga picks that up. Back down to the defense. The shot goes wide. Mississauga looking for an option. Puts it down low. Ooh, that actually made it into Riley's stick. puck comes out. Mississauga's going to reset. Dumps it in, no icing called. Alley, Tegan, and Amelia out now. Alley hard on the forecheck. Tegan out in front. Tegan, in to grab it. Up. Tegan hard. Ooh. Blows the tire. She had it, pulled out. Lily Belfoy keeps it in. Amelia on the boards with it. Ooh, good shot from Lily on net. Mississauga coming in with it. It's a high shot. Into the glove. Puck, he's got it there. Page tried to bring it out. Jordana breaks up that outlet pass. McKay has it now. Try to throw it out in front and crease. It's offside. Mississauga getting close to the front of the net. Cycles around back. Mississauga out to the point. D to D. With a shot. Blocker save from Riley. And a loose puck. Mississauga with it. All the way out to the point. Another D to D. Another quick shot down low. Loose puck. Moya tried to get it out. Another shot into the pads. That one hit traffic in the middle of the net. There we go. Page finally clears it out. The girls need to change. We'll take an icing call. All right, Brooke, Izzy, and Leah Clark on the face-off. Sydney and Becky. Becky pins her player behind the net. Izzy grabs it. Off the boards, up to Brooke Duggan. Chips it ahead. Try that cycle again. Becky to Brooke. Shot from Izzy. Floats across the crease. Sid Crosgrove picks that puck up. Mississauga player hot on her heels. Back to Brooke. Tries to get a shot off. Keegan with Amelia and Dorney. And Janique dumps it in. Okay, Britt on the forecheck.
Deep, deep.
Nezzy holds the line there.
Go get it.
There you go. Nesbitt with it. Oh, nobody there. Where is it? It's on the boards where I can't see. Greco with it. Tries to get it in deep. Mississauga takes it off her. Hard period. Maddie, Allie, and Moya. We're going to start. Paige and Lily. Lily, the back check. Mississauga chasing her behind the net. Bobbled at the line and comes out. There you go. Moya gets it just over the line and sends it in. No icing. Mississauga reverses. D to D, looking for a long outlet pass. Paige picks it up. Ooh. Turnover. I'd rather save that one. Sorry. Camera hand was stuck in my jacket. All right, Leah gets that one out. She's got Brooke and Izzy with her. Becky and Sophia Greco. Izzy down to Becky. Izzy chips it in. On the boards, Greco with a pinch. Izzy and Greco working the boards. Ooh, tripping penalty coming to Sophia Greco. Amelia and Jordana will start this PK unit. There's Unique and Sid Cosgrove. Good dump to the other end. Amelia, the stick check there. Play from Amelia on the line. Sid with it. Tries to get it off the boards. Good save from Riley. Shot. Across the crease. Back to Mississauga. Back to the point. Down to the bumper. The shot. Blocked by Amelia. All right, TK and Maddie out now. Paige and Lily. Tegan forcing the pass. It's going to be an icing call. Tegan on the forecheck. Lily. Got her stick hold. Come on, you got to call that. Bro. Loose puck out in front. Here you go, Lily in the corner with it. Gets it out. Just skipped over. Ooh, I don't know. I'd call that over. Hard shot. Riley was ready for it. How do they not call that holding? Brutal. Shot blocked by Moya. Out with Thorny. Last 10 seconds of this penalty, roughly. Well, 14, I guess. Mississauga coming down the left side. Caught off by Becky. That'll do it. Back to even. Izzy Carrier comes out, fifth player. Britt will clear that. We'll take an icing call and reset. Becky and Izzy fighting it out. Greco pulls that away from the crease. Girls couldn't get it out. Greco with it again. Back around for Becky. Tries to get it past. Mississauga pinches. Becky manages to flip it out. Allie, good stick check. She's got Izzy and Leah Clark with her. Good pinch there from Greco. Breaks up that pass to Mississauga. Mississauga's going to change. Go, 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 go. Becky down low with Allie. Tegan now. Stick checks her player. Keeps the puck in. Sends it deep. Brooke Duggan with it. To Allie. To Janique. Mississauga's going to pull it around back to the net. Kept in by Sid at the line. Down to TK. Janique gets a shot. Goes wide in the left corner. Sydney with it. Hangs on to it. Tries to get a shot that goes high. Duggan holds it in. Tegan to Amelia. Tried to get it back to Tegan. She's charged in the front of the net. It's out. Janique now on the back check. Maddie, Moya, and Jordy out. Good Paige and Lily on defense. Paige and Moya. Maddie pokes it away. This puck picked up by Mississauga. And back the other way. And it's out. That's out. Here we go. Paige to Maddie. Paige sends it in deep. Maddie and Moya on the forecheck. Oh, out front, out front. Maddie gets a piece. And Moya on the rebound shot. Jordana angles her player off the puck. Maddie with it. Tries to dump. Go, 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 go. Here we go, Paige. Line change comes out now. Move forwards. You got Leah, Izzy. And Britt Thorney. Becky and Greco on defense. Shot blocked by Mississauga. Thorney cycles that one back in. Looking for a better outlet pass. It's poked into the corner by Mississauga. Goes around the net to Becky. Becky gets it up. And it goes down the left-hand side. Oh, does that count as a shot? Need an extra one. Oh, Greco with a pinch. Keeps that puck in. The girls are going to change. Amelia, Allie, and Tegan out on forward. Sydney and Janique on defense. Amelia's going to take the face off. Tegan, round back. Tries to cut off her player. Long outlet pass from Mississauga off those right-hand boards. Job said. Janique cuts off that chance. TK on the boards now. Gets it stuck in the ice. Good poke there. Oof. All right, that's offside. The girls get a minute to reset. Oh, bounce back in. Get there, get there. Go, Sid. Oh, high shot over the net while we were changing. Shot. Save from Riley. And it's out. Maddie out. Got Moya with her. Moya picks up loose puck down the right-hand side. Tried to feed Maddie in the slot. Mississauga trying to turn it over and bring it out. Brooke Duggan hard on the back check. Good save. Lily Belfay. Puck comes around. Page gets it. And it's out. Moya on the forecheck. One hard pass to Lily. Over to Page. Page gets it to the middle. Finds Izzy. Down there. All right, Mississauga down there in the corner, pulls it out. Back to Lily. Ooh. Mississauga with a shot. Finds the top left corner of the net. Becky and Greco on defense. Jordy, Izzy, and Leia forwards. Mississauga takes that one. Shot. Deflects off the player and goes wide. Girls looking to get this one out of the end. Becky picks it up off the right-hand boards. Izzy now on the boards with her. Jordana. Mississauga pulls it away and sends it in. And it gets flipped back out. Ooh, loose puck. Sophia Greco now on the forecheck. Mississauga pick up that loose puck, flicks it out to the end. TK out on the ice now. Backhand. Over to Becky. And Britt Dorney and Nesbitt. Dorney with it. Pulls it. Gets a shot. Loose puck. Oh, girls are trying. TK sends it into the scrum. Pulls it out behind the net now. Looking for an option. Good sauce pass over with Nesbitt. Bounces over a stick. The blue line. Stoney now on the forecheck. Try to angle off her player. Cosgrove picks up a loose puck on the boards. Nesbitt in for support. Becky now, opposite side. Cosgrove from Nesbitt. Fans on it. Referee gets in the way of that clearing attempt. There you go, and it's out. The girls exhausted, battling on the boards. New icing call. All right, Maddie, falsetto. With Moya. I think one of the last remaining shifts in the game. Janique and Paige on defense. Mississauga with it. Dumps it. Paige. Good hands on Paige. Play baseball. Center field. Paige with it. Down low. Keeping busy. Maddie now in with Paige. Mississauga gets that one out. Finds the center. Coming in. 3-on-1. Kick save from Riley. Moya tried to backhand it out to Maddie. Mississauga sends it back in down low. Paige to Janique. There we go. Glassing out from Janique. Good stick check from Janique. Duggan now. Out with Leah and Izzy. Brooke holds her to the outside, manages to hang on to it. Down in the corner. Sends it to the right side. Becky Pollard comes in with a hard pinch. Duggan with it still. 2-on-1 battle on the boards. Offside call. And they're cleared. Leah Clark. And back check and pick that up. Last minute of play. Keegan out with Greco. Izzy got Duggan with her. Little chip. Can't chase. She gets cut off by Mississauga. Izzy with it now. Teagan down low. Leaves it for Paige. He gets pushed out by Mississauga. Greco on the forecheck. Paige. Good stick check from Paige. Loose puck. Hits TK in the skates. Izzy with it. Go, Iz. Go, 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 go. Do your best. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1.